In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in the ElevenLabs music generator. This is an exciting process that brings your unique vocal sound into creating music. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is clone your voice. Head over to the Voice Lab on ElevenLabs platform, where you'll find the instant voice cloning feature. Once you're there, the next step is to upload an audio file that captures your voice. It's important to ensure this file is between 30 seconds and a minute in length and of high quality. This means using a clear recording without background noise, preferably with a good microphone for the best results. Think of this audio file as the blueprint that will guide the cloning process, so the clearer and more precise it is, the better your cloned voice will sound. After you've uploaded the file, don't forget to personalize it by adding some relevant tags. Tags can be anything from the mood you think your voice represents to the type of music you want to create with it. Then give your voice clone a name. It could be your own name, or perhaps the name of the musical persona you wish to adopt. This makes it easier for you to find and select later. Now, it's time to sit tight for a moment while the system processes your voice. This might take a little bit of time, so be patient. Once your voice clone is ready, it's time to venture to the music generator. This is where the magic truly happens. Here, you'll need to write down your music prompt. This is essentially the idea or concept you want to transform into music. Whether it's a specific genre, emotion, or theme, be as detailed as possible to help the generator produce the best results. In the voice drop-down menu, look for your newly cloned voice. Select it to ensure that the generated music incorporates the nuances and qualities of your own voice. And now, watch as the platform brings your creation to life. In just a few moments, you'll have music that not only reflects your ideas and creativity, but also features your very own voice, creating a personal and distinctive musical piece. And there you have it, a seamless blend of technology and creativity, allowing you to infuse your personal touch into music in a whole new way. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a content creator, or just someone curious about innovative uses of technology, this tool opens up a world of possibilities. Enjoy exploring and creating with your newly cloned voice in the ElevenLabs music generator.